Hi, welcome back. I've got a new set of gadgets to show you, and I'm especially excited to show you these. I'll bring them in. Ta-da! Ooh. Logitech's G Aurora Collection is a highly sought-after collection seen on viral TikToks and videos online, and it's no wonder why it's so popular. It's super cute! Logitech sent us the G735 Wireless Gaming Headset, the G715 Wireless Gaming Keyboard, and the G705 Wireless Gaming Mouse. But the set doesn't just boost a pretty-looking collection. Logitech says that it has gaming-grade tech, customization options, and a comfortable fit. I'm more of a casual gamer. I play a little Sims 4 every once in a while, but I'm not the best person to judge how good a gaming set is. Which is why I have invited this specific guest. Hi, Rory.
How did you do that?
Welcome to the Gadget Girl Clubhouse. Welcome to the Gadget Girl Clubhouse.
Wait, before we continue with the video, I have an important announcement to make. Search Ninja is hiring! We are looking for driven, like-minded individuals to join our growing team. But wait, you might be wondering, why would I want to work here? Well, let me show you. You get access to incredible studios like this and all of this cool equipment.
Hey, I'm trying to work here. Can you get out of here? What the?
We even offer a grooming allowance. Yeah? No? Okay. Even coffee from our local kopitiam. Thanks, Jerry. So, are you interested? Hit the link below to see what positions we have available.
Welcome to the clubhouse.
Hi.
I'd like to hear your thoughts and impressions of this set, seeing that you're the professional unboxer.
Sure. Yeah. I prefer the mint green colorway. Oops. Ah! Oh.
So Rory, what
what
would
you
you like
want
to unbox first? I think this one we should do last. We should do the smallest one first, right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we'll start with the mouse. So this is the what?
This is the wireless gaming mouse, or the G705. That's it.
Yeah.
G705.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Buka. Oh my God, it's tiny.
Hey, it comes with a sticker. Sticker.
Why do they need such a long cable for a wireless mouse?
That's a good point. Ooh, it's so pretty.
I think you just turn it on. No lah. Is it charging?
Got blue
Hey,
light.
if got cable, if got port, then we can lah.
Okay, let's try connecting it with my
It's like
laptop.
too small for me.
Try connect. Oh, see?
Hey, no.
Well, again, I think it's still might be a little too small for you. No? You feel comfortable?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's try connecting
It's
it
just a
with
bit
my
light.
laptop.
So what kind of features does it have? So it has Bluetooth. It has. Oh, the cable is for your light speed, which is basically like their wireless. If I'm not mistaken, it's their wireless transmission for their gaming stuff. So the problem with gaming mice and why you do not normally want to use wireless mice is because latency. Because you know lah, when people die, the first thing they blame is lag. So they've got this really long cable so that you can actually position this dongle, this thing, wherever you want to position it, so that you get the best signal or best look.
But I like the light. I like the light that comes with it.
There's like a little light here. You see it?
It'll be kind of useless to see the light because your palm will be all over it, right? When you're playing it.
It's not when you. This is for when you want to take a picture of your setup. Since Bluetooth is sometimes just so annoying. You gotta be like a gamer. You gotta stick the cable in. Oh! So the mouse feels quite nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. You're the mouse expert, right? You've reviewed more mice
Why is
than
it so slow?
most people have in their whole life. No.
What?
Why is it so slow? I believe that button is a DPI switch. Try and press that. Is it faster?
Oh.
There you go. So it's
Oh.
1, 2,
Three.
three different speeds?
Yeah.
There you go. This is not very impressive, I have to say. This feels like one of their, their entry level. So Logitech, they have the G brand. Like this is the G brand, right? That's for their gaming stuff. This one feels more like their Yeah, more entry-level mice. But it is a G705, so I don't know. I'm not very familiar with the numbers.
For this, if it comes with that set whole thing, like it would be really pretty, it'd be worth it. But I think like if you're just getting the mouse, it's just a regular white mouse with like a pretty blue light.
Regular white mouse with a pretty blue light. Okay.
But
Shall we move on?
Yeah.
So this is the G735 headset. This looks cool.
I think it looks pretty. I think it matches really well with the mice.
It comes,
the mouse.
It comes with a microphone. I don't know if it's detachable though. I guess we'll find out.
Ooh, we could test it out.
But
They even tell you what type of hairstyle you should wear with it.
Cha cha cha.
Ooh,
cloud.
That's pretty.
Cloud motif.
You see how pretty this is?
Oh, it feels really soft to feel that. Oh man. Also, I guess that answers our question. It is detachable. Where's the mic? Where's the mic? Mic!
Oh, so it doesn't just, you don't have to
Boom,
wear
there
the
you
mic
go.
with it. Ah, this is where you stick it.
It's okay. I have a lot of practice. Oh, there you go. That's your
Ready.
mic. Here, put it on.
Okay.
You feel like a gamer. So besides that, you get the same kind of cable extension thing for the wireless mouse. And
Really
there's
comfortable.
A little bit of paperwork here. Who cares?
Is that how far they? Oh, they can extend it for you far.
Wireless receiver, much bigger than the mouse's one. The mice's.
They can extend it really big so your head can fit in it.
Oh really?
This is as much as I can go.
It's stepless, so there are no clicks when you extend or retract them.
Try
the
them.
only thing is, not my hair.
Who cares?
Oh. It's comfortable. It's quite far off to the side, isn't it? It's like not near my mouth.
Jim.
Okay.
It's
I
okay
feel
from
like
here.
it should be like here. Like a pilot.
No,
Or
it
does your
still
captain
kind of looks
speak
like that, but like more sophisticated, I think.
More so. There are a bunch of controls on here. So you have like a, that's the power switch. That's a, it's a volume wheel. Hell yeah. That's good.
Ooh,
It's
little
like
buttons.
Little nubby. Then you have the microphone mute button. That's cool. I didn't know that. But why do you need a microphone mute button? Just do that lah. Here you have a Bluetooth pairing button.
Put it on. I'm gonna show you Stray Kids.
Wait. I can adjust the volume.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, the volume is separate from your volume.
No way. So what's this for?
Huh?
What's this
No,
for?
so like the
Oh.
headset has its own volume.
Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, you can't hear me.
Why am I listening to your
Wow.
song? You should try it.
You
should
you
try
couldn't
it.
hear me.
Huh?
You couldn't hear me.
I could hear like,
Say something.
hello. Mic
Okay,
check,
I can hear
1,
a little
2.
bit.
There's no ANC. What are you expecting? The thing that I'm annoyed about this is that there are no quick start guides.
We haven't tested the mic yet. We should probably test the mic.
Yeah, give the mic a test.
I need backup. I don't know what. Guys, I need backup. Oh,
Does it sound nice?
I can hear it.
Does it sound nice? It sounds like a mic. But look at what I just found. The lights are on the inside as well. Look at that.
So you can see the left and right in like dark places.
It's prettier than it sounds. Next. Boom. Lucky bit. Lucky bit. Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, same. It's around the
same
same
style.
Yeah.
This one looks like a strudel.
Yeah, it does look like strudel.
Ooh, why did you hold it upside down?
I don't know.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is pretty.
at that.
Ooh, and I have the nails for it now.
Look at that. Now, you also have a cloud.
What? No. Do you see it? Do you see it?
You get a wired cable. This is A to C. Kind of sad. I think C to C
Why
would be
is
nicer
this the
to
most
have.
exciting part to me?
And then this is a dongle for
What is
A
this?
to C transitions. Boom.
What's this?
Boom. Huh? That's a volume wheel, dude. Oh, it has a volume wheel. That is great. That is the most fantastic thing ever. Okay, that's it. That's all you get in the box.
Try.
So it's
Try,
a...
try, try.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit. What do you mean?
Yeah, look. Like it doesn't look like it's part of the experience, you know. It just looks like a cloud that you put underneath your. Ooh. Underneath you have two stage sort of feet, so you can have the low setting or the high setting, or you can have it just flat. Then you also have here. This is your wireless receiver. This is how you know it's for gamers. This is the TKL setup, 10 keyless, so you don't have the numpad, so that you have more space for your mouse when you're gaming. You have more space for your mouse.
Try it with the headphones as well.
Try the side with No, you try it.
Oh, it's so pretty! Do you see it? Do you see it? It's so pretty. It's so pretty!
Pink and blue.
Wow.
A little bit more about this keyboard. So this is the Logitech G715 as part of their Aurora Collection. It's a 10 keyless keyboard with a volume wheel. Look at that. I love volume wheels. It's also rubberized so that you don't slip, but I prefer like the hard, the sort of hard plastic with the texture instead. I think that's nicer to roll. You also have obviously media keys here. You got a light key. This is the brightness. This one I don't know what this is. I haven't figured it out. This is to change your connection. And these are tactile switches, so they're brown switches. Look at that, brown. Brown! And the keycaps, they feel really nice. They are also double shot, which means that they are very durable. So that means the text and stuff basically should not fade over time. But these are tactile keys, so the actuation is quite, like the actuation force quite high, but there's a bump, which I like.
Logitech also offers a few color keycaps on their website, and you can even swap the top plate on the keyboard, which magnetically snaps off with a different color to better match your setup.
So what do you think of the Aurora set so far?
I think it is exactly like how I imagined it would be. It's cute, it's pretty, and it has like little bits and knobs and little buttons that could help make, I guess, gaming a little bit more fun. The lights, I guess, is an important aspect for gamers.
You mean like the backlights? Yeah, of course.
But because I know how much each item is, it's like, is it even worth it? I'm not sure. Things that are pretty are not usually very technically great, and things that are technically great are not necessarily pretty. This is like a happy medium. The
thing that I'm not impressed with is like the mouse. I would say the mouse is kind of like, it's very basic, like there aren't a whole bunch of programmable buttons. The headset sounds okay, but they aren't super great. I think the keyboard is definitely the most, I don't know, the thing that I like the most probably from the set.
That's the star, basically.
Yeah, I like the linear switches. They're quite nice. They're a bit stiff, but overall it's nice. I think quality-wise it feels good. There's like a nice volume wheel as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to your review. I just don't like that this cloud does not fit.
I disagree. I think this is.
You like the way the cloud?
This is great.
Like no,
it can fit other keyboards if you want.
Like it should be magnetic. It should like.
It doesn't need to be magnetic. It'll be too like. It'll just be for that keyboard.
It doesn't need to be magnetic, but it would be really cool if it was.
Yeah, but it just wouldn't be as versatile.
I will say though, across the board, 10 out of 10 in terms of prettiness. I think people will love this just because of the way they look. Like I really like the way they did the lighting on the headset. Like it's very subtle. So if you turn them off, it looks like it has no lights at all, right? But if you leave them on, it's just very subtle, and I think that's really good. And you know, in general, I really like Logitech stuff. I love their mice especially, which is why I'm kind of critical on this. But yeah, overall, pretty, functional.
I have a feeling though, of all the mice that I have right now from Logitech, I would use this one the most.
It's not for me though.
It's for me. Rory, thank you for joining me. I'm just going to send you away back to where you came from. All right, so Rory, bye-bye. Thank you. Peace and quiet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you wanna follow us on Facebook, if you haven't yet, you do so. I'll put everything in the description. You know, subscribe to us if you haven't already as well, and let us know in the comments of what you'd like to see next. That's it. All right, bye-bye.